Hello, Natalie. Thanks for your question. If we have any vector, which I'm going to call v, for vector, of course, very clever, in two space, so it's got two components, and we would like to scale that vector so that it has a magnitude of 1, what we have is called a unit vector. The unit vector is expressed as v, but then we just divide by the magnitude of v. So to get u, we divide by the magnitude of v, and the magnitude of v is going to be the square root of x squared plus y squared. So this will help us get to our unit vector, and from there it's just simplification and distribution. So let's apply this to our problem. Our vector v is 1 square root of 3. I'm going to divide by the magnitude of v now, which I know to be the square root of x squared plus y squared. So my problem now turns into, or my unit vector turns into 1 over the square root of x squared, so 1 squared, plus y squared, so the square root of 3 squared, times the vector 1 square root of 3. Let's go ahead and simplify the expression on the bottom. If I square 1, I of course just get 1. If I square the square root of 3, I just get 3. So we're going to have 1 over 1 plus 3 times the vector v, which was 1 square root of 3. And simplifying the bottom again, as you can see, this is 4, and the square root of 4 is 2, so this outside scalar turns into 1/2. And our vector he's kind of a Klingon. Now we're just going to go ahead and distribute the 1/2 to each component of the vector. So I can rewrite the vector as 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. And then you're done. Thanks again for your question, Natalie, and I look forward to answering more of your questions using SnapMath in the future.